Mga katigangers, gumatang titi gas, ag-refill titi gas. Jadi pagpa-refillan. Yes. Okay. Please wait. Exchange. Opening. Please wait.
Press the OK button to confirm the charge. If you want to cancel the transaction, press the cancel button.
Okay.
Please fully insert your payment card with the magnetic strip facing down and to the right.
Okay. Facing to the card error. Remove not completed. What's that?
I'm sorry, the credit card was not able to be read and has not been charged. Press the OK button to try again, or press the cancel button to cancel the transaction.
Okay.
Press the OK button to confirm the charge. Please fully insert your payment card with the magnetic strip facing down and to the right.
Card reader error. Card swipe not completed. Okay.
The credit card was not able to be read and has not been charged. Press the OK button to confirm the charge. Please
wait.
fully insert your payment card with the magnetic strip facing down and to the right.
One more. Leave card in terminal. Purchase 21. Okay. Please wait. Not card. Approved. Thanks.
Please remove your card.
Please wait.
Please tightly close the valve at the top of the tank by turning it clockwise until it's done. When the door opens, please place your empty tank in the locker and close
Okay.
the door.
Okay, like that, and then close the door. And okay. Automatic at dito na. Nakuha ko na. Okay. Ganun pala. Okay, that's it. Ayan. Kuha ko na, bago na yung nakuha ko. Ayan. Okay, dokie. That's it. Oh. You want receipt? Please wait.
Have your receipt emailed to you. Enter your email address and then tap the send receipt button.
Okay.
To continue without a receipt, press the skip button.
B O so then at gmail.com. Send receipt. Okay. Okay. Yan, bago na. Bago na nakuha ko. Ito yung bilihan. Yan. Okay, dokie. Bye bye mga katigangers. Bago yan. Ganito yung ano dito, ang liliit. Ayan, oh. Ganyan ang kaliit, oh. Ayan, oh. Maliliit dito. At saka kahit lumang-luma kasi basta tangke, ilagay mo lang dyan sa ano pag nagbukas eh. Okay, dokie. Yun lang. Bye bye. Nasa email ko na yung receipt ko.